Welcome to Car Vibes. Today we are taking you into the world of raw American hypercar performance with the all-new 2026 Falcon F7 Twin Turbo, a machine designed to shake the very foundations of the automotive world. The Falcon name, as always, stood for exclusivity, hand-built craftsmanship, and aggressive performance, but this latest twin turbo model pushes those boundaries further than ever. It's not just another high-performance car, it's a bold statement that American engineering can stand shoulder to shoulder with European legends like Ferrari, Lamborghini, and Bugatti, while carrying its own unique DNA of raw muscle and precision. The design of the 2026 Falcon F7 Twin Turbo is the first thing that captures your imagination. It looks more like a fighter jet than a road car, sculpted to perfection with sharp aerodynamic elements and a stance that hugs the asphalt. Its body is crafted entirely from lightweight carbon fiber, giving it both incredible strength and feather-like agility. At the front, sleek LED matrix headlights pierce through the night, while massive intakes dominate the bumper, funneling air directly into the twin turbos that sit like predators ready to strike. The lines along the body are not random, they are designed with wind tunnel precision, channeling air for cooling, downforce, and stability at ridiculous speeds. The dihedral doors rise dramatically, adding that supercar theater effect, while the rear is defined by a full-width active spoiler, quad titanium exhausts, and a race-inspired diffuser that screams aerodynamic efficiency. Every angle tells you that this machine means business. Underneath the sculpted body lies the centerpiece of this beast, a 5.2-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that delivers a staggering 1,150 horsepower and over 1,100 newton-meters of torque. These numbers aren't just for bragging rights, they translate into world-class performance. The Falcon F7 Twin Turbo launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds, a figure that places it among the quickest accelerating cars on the planet. Its top speed surpasses 240 miles per hour, ensuring it sits firmly in hypercar territory. What separates it from many competitors is the visceral way it delivers power. The roar of the V8 is raw and thunderous, punctuated by the high-pitched whistle of the turbos and the violent crackles from the exhaust every time you lift off the throttle. It's a soundtrack that no electric supercar could ever replicate. One that feeds the driver's soul with pure adrenaline. Performance alone isn't enough without handling, and Falcon has engineered the F7 Twin Turbo to deliver razor-sharp precision on every curve. The chassis is based on a carbon fiber monocoque structure with aluminum subframes, keeping the total weight under 3,000 pounds. That lightness gives it an incredible power-to-weight ratio, making it even more lethal on both road and track. The car features adaptive suspension with active dampers, torque vectoring all-wheel drive, and hydraulic-assisted steering that offers the kind of feedback most modern supercars have lost. Driving the F7 Twin Turbo isn't about letting electronics do all the work. It's about feeling every input, every vibration, every ounce of connection between you and the road. The car is alive, and it rewards those who are brave enough to tame it. Inside, the Falcon F7 Twin Turbo continues its mission of blending futuristic luxury with hardcore performance focus. The cabin is driver-centric, cocooning you in a cockpit designed for speed. A fully digital high-resolution driver display dominates the view, offering customizable layouts for performance data, navigation, and telemetry. A secondary infotainment screen is angled toward the driver, providing modern conveniences without distracting from the main event. The materials are a symphony of Alcantara, leather, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum, all stitched and crafted by hand. The steering wheel draws inspiration from Formula One, flat-bottomed and loaded with integrated controls, while the paddle shifters click with a satisfying mechanical precision. The racing bucket seats are wrapped in fine leather and Alcantara, combining comfort with uncompromising support during high-speed maneuvers. One of the standout features inside the cabin is the augmented reality heads-up display. Projected directly onto the windshield, it shows speed, navigation, and even racing lines when you're on track. It's like having a virtual co-pilot guiding you in real time, enhancing both performance and safety. The car also includes wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, premium sound systems, wireless charging, and advanced climate control, proving that despite its hardcore nature, the Falcon F7 Twin Turbo can still be a comfortable place to spend hours behind the wheel. Safety is paramount in a machine with this level of performance, and Falcon has not cut corners. The F7 Twin Turbo comes equipped with carbon ceramic brakes that provide immense stopping power, along with stability control, traction management, and multiple drive modes to adapt the car's personality to different driving conditions. From track-focused attack mode to a more relaxed grand touring setting, the Falcon gives drivers the flexibility to enjoy it both as a weekend racer and as a long-distance cruiser. The advanced AI-driven driving aids analyze road and driver behavior in real time, making micro-adjustments to keep the car planted and secure without robbing the driver of the thrill. The exclusivity factor of the Falcon F7 Twin Turbo cannot be overstated. Production numbers are extremely limited, with each car hand-built to order. Buyers get the opportunity to customize nearly every detail, from exterior paint and interior finishes to performance tuning preferences. This isn't just about owning a car, it's about owning a piece of automotive art, tailored to reflect the personality of the owner. Each car takes months to build, with master craftsmen ensuring that every bolt, stitch, and carbon fiber panel meets the highest standards of perfection. Owning one means you're part of an ultra-exclusive club, a small circle of enthusiasts who understand that cars like this are more than machines. They are works of passion. The 2026 Falcon F7 Twin Turbo is more than just a hypercar. It's proof that America can still produce machines that don't just rival European giants but offer something completely different: raw, untamed power combined with hand-built craftsmanship and futuristic innovation. It's the kind of car that makes your heart race just looking at it. The kind of car that leaves people speechless when they hear its engine roar down the street. For Falcon, this is not just a comeback. It's a declaration that the American dream of speed, power, and individuality is alive and roaring louder than ever, for those who are lucky enough to see one. The Falcon F7 Twin Turbo is unforgettable. For those lucky enough to own one, it's a lifelong dream realized. This car is not just about getting from point A to point B. It's about the journey, the thrill, and the feeling that you're piloting something that exists on the very edge of possibility. The Falcon F7 Twin Turbo is not only one of the most powerful cars of 2026, but also one of the most emotionally charged. A reminder that in a world increasingly moving toward quiet efficiency, there is still room for loud, unapologetic, adrenaline-fueled madness. This is not just the future of American hypercars, it's a legacy reborn, more powerful and breathtaking than ever before.